Another year, another 3 Galaxy Watches to unpack. So, let's jump into the Galaxy Watch 8, the Watch 8 Classic, and wait for it, a slightly updated Ultra. Emphasis on slightly. Like that one friend who says they lost weight, but just switch to salad dressing. First thing you'll notice, the Squircle. Yeah, Samsung basically took a circle and slapped a square behind it. Because why not? They say it makes the watch thinner, sit flatter on your wrist, and maybe juice up the battery just a teensy bit. Honestly, it sounds like tech speak for we tried. At first, I was like, nah, this Squircle ain't it. But after wearing it, kinda grew on me. Not Stockholm Syndrome level, but close. The Classic still rocks the OG rotating bezel, which, I swear, I could spin all day like it's Fidget Spinner 2.0. The Ultra, storage doubled from 32 to 64 gigs, and it got a new blue color. That single quotes S. It. The same old beast with a fresh paint job. Now, the real flex, wear 06 with Gemini AI on your wrist. This isn't just any assistant, it's like your personal hype coach who can make a running playlist and tell you to burn off that pizza slice. But real talk, don't ask it to torch 1,000 calories unless you're ready for a marathon in this weather. Gemini replaces Google Assistant and promises smarter, smoother combo, no subscription needed. So LTE or Wi-Fi is your ticket to this AI party. On the health front, you can now track stress while you sleep. Because who knew snoozing could be stressful? There's a running coach too, perfect for beginners who want to flex at the next 5K. And get this, a fancy antioxidant index that basically tells you if you're eating enough fruits and veggies based on the color in your thumb skin. Sounds wild, but hey, science. Now, the bad news, prices went up. Galaxy Watch 8 starts at $350, Classic at $500, and the Ultra chilling at $650 like nothing changed. Samsung says it's all about profit analysis. Translation, your wallets about to feel the squeeze. So yeah, not a game changer, but hey, Gemini AI on your wrist, that's something. More than that, I'm just stuck thinking about Squircle. Sounds like Squirtle got a tech upgrade. And honestly, catch you later. And remember, stay fruity, stay flashy, and keep spinning that bezel. Peace.